In today's video, we'll see the recipe of cucumber mint lemonade. It's very refreshing and can be easily made with the ingredients available in your kitchen. For this recipe, I have taken a small cucumber. I'm gonna peel off the skin. Chop it roughly and add to a blender. Next, add some fresh mint leaves, followed by some chopped ginger. Add juice from half a lemon. We will also add in some sugar or sugar syrup. Pour half a cup of water and blend until smooth. Fill a glass jar with lot of ice cubes. Next, we will add some cucumber slices and mint leaves. Add in a pinch of salt. Now fill 1/4 of the jar with cucumber juice. And we will fill the rest of the jar with soda. If you do not want to use soda, you can also use plain water. With the leftover cucumber juice, you can prepare similar jars. Give it a good mix and you can sip on the lemonade right away. You can adjust the quantity of the cucumber juice, soda and the sugar depending upon your taste. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe and watch more interesting recipes on my channel below.